I work as a customer service representative in the service department here at TC Hafford. I've been here since December of 23. Working here versus other customer service jobs that I've had is just amazing. The team that's here, they stand behind you. We work together through problems. We like to say there are no problems, only solutions. This company is like an extended family to me. The camaraderie that we have, the care for one another that we have, the same care that we have for our customers is so important, and I just love being proud of the company that I work for. Our owner here is part of day-to-day functions in this business. He is on board constantly with every department, never void for lack of knowledge and inspiration for us, so I appreciate that so much. One of the best decisions I ever made was coming to TC Hafford.